What's up, guys? We're playing SpongeBob Tower Defense, and we're going endless this time. We're not getting zero this time. Look at the House of Champions. Hi there, SpongeBob, my boy. And look at these. AFKs. No, zero? Zero. No, no one. Zero. Okay, so that's how we play it. So let's start on concentrate A. Ooh, endless mode. This brings me to chills. Okay, let's play. Ooh, this brings me to chills on my spine. When I was a little kid, this brings me to chills. But it's kind of easy. But I'm just actually a Tagalog person. Yun na ako, ito na ako guys. Ito na ako. Hindi naman talaga ako English. Okay, nagmimimik lang ako ng English. I'm bad at English. I'm bad at everything, bro, daman. Guys, bad ako kahit saan. Kahit saan naman. Karma na lang sa akin. Karma is real. Pero naglalaro ako ng English na laro araw-araw. Ano ko nga na yung laro ngayon? Ito, Tower Defense. SpongeBob Tower Defense. Oh yeah, first person looks better. Yay! I can... What? You're big, but I'm a giraffe. No, I'm a giraffe. I'm a giraffe. I'm a giraffe. Oh yeah, SpongeBob. We can finally put SpongeBob. Square Friends. SpongeBob Square Friends. Tanan tanan tanan. SpongeBob Square Friends. Tinin 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 tinin. Yeah. I know belong to somebody who doesn't know to me. Who belong to somebody who. Sorry, I just drank the water. It was refreshing. It was refreshing, guys. Okay. Sige na, maglaro na tayo. Let's begin. Tara na. Bilhan mo, mermaid man. Walang pera po, takte ka. Guys, ang hirap naman ng endless, bro. Hindi na sila nakakadaan, guys. Hindi na sila nakakadaan. Kaya naglalagay ko. They are so dumb. One hit! Dead. Double kill. Anchovy attacks. Ah. Haba. Anchovy. Wow. amazing. 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 Burger first. Lalagay na natin tong realistic fish head natin dito. Tapos, itong wag mo yung baliktad. Baliktad ang lagay ko nun ah. Bag. I said bag, bitch. Thank you, bitch. Meow, 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 meow. And by the way, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell or just like the video. Bye!